What's up guys, Weekend Rider here, and today's another episode of my moto vlog. Yeah, and right now I'm just outside trying to get somewhere for this moto vlog. Yeah, so I don't have any particular topics in mind right now. I left home without knowing any topics. I just strapped my GoPro here. Yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go. I'm touching you guys. I just strapped it and off I go. Woot, 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 woot. Sorry, I'm in the wrong lane. Yeah, guys, today's March 20, right? And March 24 is fast approaching. March 24 is inside racing, right? SMX. So any of you guys coming or going over there? Yeah, because I will be going along with JMac, I think Gen 1 ZX. Yeah, as of now the only three of us are confirmed to be coming the first day, and no motovloggers have confirmed yet. Yeah, so for those of you guys who wants to see us, JMac, Gen 1 and me, and to have free stickers, feel free to approach us. If you know us or if you know our faces, then probably you will be able to approach us on the side event and to ask for some stickers. Yeah, stickers are free. Stickers are free. Yeah, I will be bringing lots of stickers. I will be spamming you guys there, and also the chicks. Yeah, I will be spamming the chicks. So ayan nun. So ayan nun guys. O tara, punta kayo sa Inside Racing March 24. That's a Friday. And yeah, Weekend Rider. So what time? Anong oras kayo pupunta ni JMac and ni Gen 1 ZX doon? Well, we are not yet sure of the time, but most probably that is before lunch. So yeah, we see you there. We'll see you there, right? Yeah. We'll see you there. And also I'm planning to buy an iridium lens over there if there will be, because of my previous video I have a new AGV helmet. Not to brag about it, but I'm just happy that I got it, because yeah, ooh, so nice. The design is nice, and right now I'm happy about it. I'm happy I got it. Yeah, so I might be able to find some iridium lens over there. Then yeah, I'll buy it. So hopefully we will see you guys there, and we'll be able to tag you guys. Tag, yeah, sticker tag. So yeah, I think this is just an invitation video after all. Invitation video and an update video. Update video ka dyan. Invitation lang. Oh, by the way guys, the Ilocos vids the Ilocos vids are on the way. I haven't been able to open any videos with my Ilocos trip because there are lots of videos that I took, but I don't know if they are vlog worthy. Well, let's just see if you guys will like it or not. Hey, I like a sniper. I like a sniper, but you're making me get, don't you? Get about me, don't you? Get about me. Whoa, Scumbag. I'm not against him having his livelihood like that. I salute him for that, but it's illegal for you to be here. Okay, so I'm approaching Philcoa, and yeah, I will just go to work today. See you guys on the 24th at Inside Racing. Most probably in the morning. Just approach us, J-Mac, me, and Gene1ZX, to ask for some stickers, because stickers are free. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like. Also, please share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so yeah, see you on the next vlogs. Bye.